Hello and welcome to another video. This is Aimee, your e-commerce growth expert, and in this tutorial, we'll uncover a powerful secret to entice customers and boost your success. The magic of discounts. Sure, having amazing products is crucial, but let's face it, customers love a great deal. That's where Shopify, the ultimate business platform, steps in with a plethora of possibilities. With Shopify, you can easily set up and manage discounts, target specific customer segments, and create enticing promotions that drive traffic and sales. Discounts work like magic. They create urgency and excitement, making the customers feel like they're getting a fantastic deal and motivating them to act quickly, resulting in increased sales. And in addition to that, exclusive discounts foster customer loyalty, making them feel appreciated and part of something special. So the thrill of saving money and getting a great deal reinforces their decision to choose your business over competitors, building their loyalty in the long run. So in this tutorial video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a discount code to boost your sales and provide great deals to your customers. So let's start by logging into your Shopify admin. From here, navigate to the discount section, which you can find on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to proceed. In the discount section, you can find the Create Discount button at the top right of your screen. Click on it again. This will lead you to choose the type of discount that you want to set up for this promotion. For our example, we'll choose the amount of order type, which allows us to offer 20% discount on the customer's entire order. Now we're in the app setup for the discount. The first thing you need to do is to create a unique and recognizable discount code. If you prefer a random code, you can click on the Generate button to let Shopify create one for you. Next, let's set up the discount value to 20% and specify that customers need to make a minimum purchase of $100 to be eligible for the discount. This ensures that your customers enjoy great savings while encouraging larger orders. To make this offer exclusive to email subscribers, tick the box for specific customer segments and select email subscribers. This way, you reward your loyal customers while building your email subscriber list. We'll limit this discount to one use per customer. This encourages them to make the most of their single discount. Shopify also allows you to combine this discount with any other discount that you may have created. However, for this promotion, we'll keep it as the only discount available. To create urgency and drive sales, set an end date for the discount. By default, the start date and time are already set from when you began creating the discount. So for our example here, let's set the end date to 1 week later. Now, once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review the summary and confirm that the sales channel is set correctly. Then save the discount. Before making it live on your store, don't forget to test it to ensure that everything works smoothly. So, congratulations! You've successfully set up a discount on your Shopify store. Your customers will now be able to enjoy the 20% discount on their orders by using the unique code that you've created. Isn't it amazing how Shopify empowers you to create various discount types and even combine some of them? But of course, we want you to be creative with your promotion. So if you're looking for more advanced discount functionality and features, the Shopify App Store has got you covered with a wide range of discount apps available. A great example of this is one of our apps, Automatic Discounts and Gifts. With ADG, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Easily create tiered discounts, buy one get one or BOGO deals, gifts with purchases automatically added at the checkout, and custom conditional offers. And best of all, you can give your customers a preview of your discounts before they are applied, ensuring they don't miss out on a great deal. ADG's user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up custom discounts without any coding. So for more advanced strategies, ADG offers flexibility and features not yet available in Shopify's built-in discounts. So while Shopify's discounts are ideal for simple strategies, you can upgrade your discount game with ATG and watch your sales soar. Get it from the Shopify App Store now and start your discounting journey. If you have any questions about this video or any other topic you'd like to know more about, feel free to post them in the comments below. We'll be happy to respond and engage with you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos that will help you grow your business. Thank you for watching.